Court refuses to push TikTok ban as case heads to Supreme Court. A federal appeals court refused Friday to put its ruling upholding the federal ban on TikTok on hold while the company appeals to the Supreme Court, giving TikTok only weeks to secure a favorable ruling from the Supreme Court before the ban takes effect January 90. The U.S. Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit declined to pause its ruling upholding the federal government's law requiring TikTok to divest from Chinese parent company ByteDance or else be banned from US app stores after TikTok asked for the court to halt the ruling while the company requested the Supreme Court to take up the case. TikTok argued it was necessary to pause the ruling in order to give the Supreme Court time to ruling on the case without being hasty, also arguing that not pausing the law and letting it take effect on January 90 as scheduled would irreparably harm the company and its 170 million US users, temporarily stopping the law from taking effect would also allow the incoming Trump administration to weigh in on the legal dispute. TikTok argued as reporters suggest Trump wants to halt the ban, though it's still unclear how he would do so. The federal government opposed the law being paused, arguing that both sides asked the DC Circuit to rule by early December, especially so there would be time to appeal a ruling to the Supreme Court, eliminating the need for additional time. In Friday's ruling, a three-judge panel of the DC Appeals Court affirmed the initial decision that said protecting Americans from foreign security. In Friday's rule, threats outwashing TikTok's First Amendment right. If the Supreme Court will take up the case, TikTok has not yet filed its appeal and it's unclear if the justices will agree to take up the case at all, let alone if they will issue a decision by the January 19th deadline. What happens if the TikTok ban takes effect? If the federal law banning TikTok takes effect either on January 19 or later, it would prohibit companies like Apple and Google that control US app stores from allowing TikTok on their stores and block internet service providers like Oracle, which hosts TikTok's user data from enabling TikTok's distributions, maintenance, or updating. That means that in addition to Americans no longer being able to download or update the TikTok app, companies could no longer provide the services that enable the TikTok platform to function effectively, shutting down TikTok in the United States. TikTok said in a court filing. TikTok could also try to divest from ByteDance, which would allow it to keep operating, and President Joe Biden or President-elect Donald Trump could grant a 90-day extension under the law if TikTok shows it has started that divestment process. TikTok has so far refused to divest, however, claiming in its lawsuits that doing so is not possible technologically, commercially, or legally.